Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Walda behind this camera, and these are my hands. Say hello, hands. Say hello to everybody. We today are going to make a fan. It has been so hot lately that I thought it'd be a great idea to learn how to make a fan. So the first thing you're going to start out is with a blank piece of paper. And after you have your paper, you're going to get your markers or pencil or crayons and draw whatever you like on that paper. I enjoy butterflies, so I drew a butterfly. Then I love coloring with Crayola markers or any kind of markers. And then when you're all done coloring with your marker, your butterfly will look something like this. How fun! When you have it all colored, then you're ready to fold it up. The way I fold it is fold towards the butterfly, then fold the back. No butterfly. Fold towards the butterfly and press nice and hard as you go along. Press back. Fold back. Very good. Fold towards the butterfly. Don't forget to press hard. Very good. Fold back and press towards the butterfly and press the back towards the butterfly, and you end it one more time towards the back. Now remember, it's important to press. Then you pinch it at the bottom and you open it up. And boys and girls, you have created a beautiful, beautiful fan. There you go. I hope this helps you stay cool. Take care. Till next time. Bye-bye.